Hi, Dan with Sharpening Supplies here. And in today's video, we're going to look at the 4 Tormek sharpening machines. If you've ever wondered which Tormek might be right for you, stay tuned because we're going to break down the main features between them and help you decide which one might be right for your sharpening needs. Tormek currently has 4 models, and they can be divided into 2 categories. We have the T-8 and the T-4, both of which use water-cooled grinding wheels, leather honing wheels, and both of which have the universal support bar, which makes them compatible with the Tormek jigs. Then we have the T2 professional kitchen knife sharpener and the T1 kitchen knife sharpener. These are specialty kitchen knife sharpening machines that come with 600 grit diamond wheels, composite honing wheels for fast, clean, easy kitchen knife sharpening. So first up, we have the T8, Tormek's flagship machine. And this has a large heavy-duty motor rated for continual duty, large grinding wheel, leather honing wheel, guide bar, water-cooled. This is perfect for chisels, hand plane blades, knives, even axes. And this is a machine to consider if you are a professional sharpener, if you own a woodworking shop, or if you just do a lot of sharpening. This machine is backed by Tormek's industry-leading warranty. Next up is the Tormek T-4. Think of it as the T-8's more compact cousin. Smaller and lighter, which makes it easier to move around and store. Don't let its size fool you though. It still offers professional level results. The T-4 is great for hobbyists, DIYers, or woodworkers who need high quality edge but don't require the continuous duty performance of the T-8. It's an excellent balance of power, precision, and footprint. Now we have the T2 Professional Kitchen Knife Sharpener for anyone in a professional kitchen setting. This machine is a kitchen knife specialty. It has a diamond wheel, composite honing wheel, built-in adjustable honing guide. Perfect for fast, razor-sharp edges with minimal effort and minimal mess. This is perfect for professional chefs, anyone in a commercial kitchen type setting, or anyone who just sharpens an awful lot of kitchen knives. Finally, we have the T1 kitchen knife sharpener. Now this is the simplest and smallest of the designs. This is for people who want professional level results on kitchen knives but don't need the size or the complexity of the larger machines. Features the 600 grit diamond wheel, the composite honing wheel, and same honing guide as the T2, but in a smaller, lighter duty size. It's available in gray or black, and this is perfect for the home cook who wants excellent edges on their kitchen knives. So which Tormek is the right one for you? We have the T8 for professional sharpeners and craftspeople who have a wide variety of tools that they need to sharpen. We have the T4 for DIYers and home users who want professional results in a smaller machine. We have the T2 Professional Kitchen Knife Sharpener for sharpening knives in a professional kitchen setting for fast, easy results with little muss or fuss. And we have the T1 Kitchen Knife Sharpener for the home chef who wants quality, professional level results with a smaller package. If you value razor-sharp edges, any of these Tormeks might be a great option for you. For more in-depth information, go to our website, sharpeningsupplies.com.